These are the 4 agents of erosion. This slideshow shows that erosion never stops. Lianna and Aly, agents of erosion. Water erosion. In this picture, water erosion happens when water travels down from a high spot and carries materials, creating these paths. In this picture, the waves had been hitting on the softer part of the rocks. That caused the rocks to eventually fall down and create a hole in the center of the rocks.
I can do it by heart.
Wind erosion. Wind erosion happens when the wind picks up small particles that chip off little pieces of the softer rock on big pieces of rock, and sometimes it can end up even on the middle. So this whole big piece of rock is now a mushroom rock. In this picture, the wind had carried itself back and forth over time, and it created these ripples in the sand everywhere. Ice erosion. A long time ago, a big glacier had sat on this mountain. Eventually, when the glacier had to melt, it had put big holes into the mountain when it had slid down all the way. In this picture, there are hoodoos. Hoodoos were formed from little pieces of ice that had sat on rocks. And when the ice had to eventually melt, the hoodoos had separated. And when the hoodoos separated, they all looked like these, right here. Gravity erosion. Gravity erosion happens when the softer part of the rock gets pulled down by the gravity and falls onto the ground like this. In this picture, the gravity is pulling down these rocks to form a landslide at the bottom.
Thank you for watching our slideshow. Hope you enjoyed it.